In today's 1-minute unboxing video, let me show you what is in this new packaging of Wyze V3 that came with a UK 3-pin plug. This plug's output is rated at 2 ampere or 10 watt power. And this is the box that contains the camera. Here we have a quick start guide and the camera itself. What's left in the box are the accessories. This is a 6-feet micro USB charging cable, a metal wall plate for you to stick the camera magnetically on any surface, a double-sided tape for the wall plate, some screws and wall plug for more secure mounting to the wall. The Wyze V3 has HD color night vision, free cloud storage, two-way audio, mini siren, and it works with Alexa. You can purchase this at Smarter Home. The purchase links are in the description.